Varispeed is a great technique for experimenting with the tempo of your project in one move.
You should look me in the eye, even if you're kinda shy. You should look me in the eye, even if you're kinda shy. You should look me in the eye.
We just listened to this track at its original tempo of 86 BPM and then instantly at 120 BPM by enabling the Varispeed button in the control bar. Here are the steps to using Varispeed. If you don't see the Varispeed button or controls inside the LCD display, click hold into the empty space of the display to customize what's in view. Here's where you enable Varispeed under the LCD column. Now the Varispeed values show up inside the display, and here's the button with the minus and plus symbol. I like to click here. It usually defaults to just showing percentage. I like to see the resulting tempo. The display area will turn orange when you have Varispeed enabled, and the logic tempo temporarily updates. This button is a toggle so you can quickly listen to the original tempo or your new tempo.
You should look me in, you should look me, you should look me in the eye.
You can adjust between a range of 50% to 200% of the original tempo. I'll let you experiment with that on your own. There are limits to Varispeed. You can't bounce a project while in Varispeed mode, and you really don't want to work for hours with Varispeed enabled because it's taxing on the CPU. If you decide you prefer the new tempo, make the permanent tempo change to all your tracks using Flex Audio, which is covered in Chapter 6 of this course, Flex Like a Pro. That said, Varispeed is a great tool for quickly experimenting with another tempo or maybe rehearsing a difficult passage at a slower tempo.
A membership to lynda.com unlocks this entire course and hundreds of others. Visit lynda.com to learn more.